Hello YouTube viewers and random Doctor Who fans. Like the title suggests, I'm going to actually review all 4 of these Sonics. A lot of them are really the same, so this will be more like a quick overview of what's different this time around. Of course, the graphics on the packaging has been changed. It's the same overall layout, but it now matches that blue and yellow design from the Series 8 figures, and you'll of course notice that these Sonics are part of the Heritage line, which is frankly a joke. But enough about the boxes, let's move on to the screwdrivers. Okay, first up here we have the 4th Doctor Sonic. There's nothing new here at all, same sculpting, same detail, and again to access the sounds you pull the spring-loaded collar down. This contains the 11th Doctor Sonic screwdriver sound chip, so it will make 2 sonic noises, and 2 hidden ones as well. Oh boy, here we go. So this is yet another variant of the 10th Doctor Sonic, and to be honest, this is one of the few versions I actually approve of. The handle is still that correct dark cream instead of mint or cheese coloured. The end section is one solid piece. This is a brand new sculpt, so the end cap isn't removable. I really do like this, as it makes it slightly more accurate and means the end won't detach as easily as it did during play with previous versions. But this is the one thing that has everyone's interest. It looks like there's a button on the slider. And is there? No! Basically what this is a screw hole which has been camouflaged as the activation button, like on the prop. This was done to allow easier access to the screw, which must be removed in order to change the batteries. As with older Sonics, you had to unclip a panel to uncover the screw, which could get lost easily. So this is a bit of a blessing and a curse really, as while the slider is much flatter than older releases, the Sonic can still only be activated when fully extended or fully retracted via the buttons at the top and bottom of the blue line. And as you can see, the emitter still lights up blue while it offers 2 regular Sonic sounds and 2 classic, much like the War Doctor Sonic. And just like the other recent 10th Doctor Sonics, I wish the classic sounds had been hidden. Okay, this gave me a laugh. Remember the previous feature Sonic in this basic line? The one that only had the blue setting? Remember how I pleaded for character to reinstall the red setting? Well, good news, they have! But they've taken away the blue setting. Yep, again, just like the past release, the silver button behind this panel is totally stationary, so it can't be pressed, so the neural relay doesn't work, and you can't switch between the red and blue settings. This is a sick joke, surely. Just release the Sonic with both settings. What is the point in only one? The sound effect, as you heard there, is also the one attributed to the blue setting on the original Future Sonic release, and not the higher one that it should be for the red setting. And finally, here we have 11 Sonic. It's the same stuff really, it doesn't extend, has a basic mould, and there's a big battery cover on one side and speaker holes on the base. In all fairness, the emitter has been updated, so it now carries the same emitter as the original 11th Doctor's extending Sonic, but as far as I'm concerned, that's pretty much polishing something that shouldn't be polished really. Strangely enough, it has the accurate 11th Doctor Sonic sound chip, which is frankly a miracle in itself. So, overall, what do I think of these Sonics? Does it matter? Why did character feel the need to re-release these again and again? Yes, I know the goal here is to make the Sonics available to kids and collectors who missed out on the initial releases, but why so many variants of the same Sonic? What's the point in waves anyway? It just confuses people into thinking the Sonics offer something new when they rarely do. Why not just do one continuous run and call it the Heritage line? Not Wave 1, Wave 2, Wave 3 and so on. Just one line. Just keep making one version of each Sonic and selling that one version. Add to that line as well. Give us the War Doctor Sonic, the Sonic Pen, the laser screwdriver and so on. Not variants of the same 4 Sonics over and over. I just don't understand the mentality of it. And so that does it for this video. I really hope you liked it. If you did and you're new to my channel, please hit subscribe for more videos and keep up to date with all my latest news and reviews by liking my Facebook page and following me on Twitter. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.